In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Lindy AI review. Is this a assistant worth it? Lindy AI is an AI-powered automation platform designed to help individuals and businesses reduce repetitive manual work. The main idea behind the platform is that you can create virtual assistants called Lindys to handle everyday digital tasks for you. This can include managing emails, scheduling meetings, qualifying leads, answering customer questions, generating content, updating CRM systems, and automating broader business workflows. One of the biggest reasons people look at a tool like Lindy is productivity. Instead of spending hours every week on routine admin work, the platform aims to take over those repeatable processes so you can focus on higher value tasks. That makes it especially appealing for people who are juggling a lot of communication, coordination, and follow-up work. A major feature of Lindy AI is its ability to create specialized assistants for different roles or departments. In other words, you are not limited to one generic AI helper. You can build assistants that are tailored for email handling, customer support, lead management, scheduling, or other business functions. This flexibility is one of the platform's strongest selling points. Another key part of Lindy is workflow automation. It can connect actions across multiple applications and services, which helps streamline work that usually requires switching between tools. For example, it supports integrations with popular platforms like Gmail, Google Calendar, Slack, HubSpot, Salesforce, Zapier, and Zoom. That means it can fit into many existing workflows instead of forcing you to start from scratch. There are several clear advantages to using Lindy AI. It can save time, it works with many common business tools, and it can scale as your needs grow. Since these assistants can operate around the clock, they also offer 24/7 availability, which is useful for ongoing communication and support tasks. That said, it is important to keep the limitations in mind. There can be a learning curve when setting up and optimizing workflows, especially if you are new to automation. Advanced features may also require a paid subscription, and like any AI tool, outputs should still be reviewed for accuracy, especially in situations that involve customer communication or important business decisions. It is also not the best fit for highly creative work or complex decision making that needs human judgment. Overall, Lindy AI may be a strong option for entrepreneurs, small business owners, sales teams, support teams, consultants, freelancers, and anyone dealing with repetitive digital tasks. If a large part of your day is spent on administrative work, Lindy AI could absolutely be worth considering. Its real value depends on how much time automation can save you in your specific workflow.